Hello everyone, I'm Aaron with Veloci Performance Products. Today I'm excited to talk to you about the MTM Hydro AIS35 adjustable injector foaming system. This revolutionary foaming system produces the highest quality foam on the market under high pressure. With its proprietary orifice and nozzle system, you get to foam using your standard pressure washer gun without the foam cannon or bottle. One of the best features of the AIS35 foaming system is its ability to mix soap and water effortlessly. Just place your concentrated bottle of soap next to your pressure washer, insert the draw tube, adjust the dial on the top of the AIS35 injector to your desired level of foam, and start cleaning. The adjustable injector allows you to control how much soap or chemical you are drawing through the system, and when you want to rinse, you can turn the dial to 0 and you have the option to swap out your foaming nozzle with a high pressure quick connect nozzle, rotating nozzle, or nozzle guard with meg nozzle. The AIS35 foaming system comes standard with a stainless steel injector, specific orifices for your model of pressure washer, draw tube, and fittings. The AIS35 foaming system is built for people who want the highest quality and most durable equipment to produce the best foam that money can buy. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for everyone from beginners to seasoned cleaning pros. If you're looking for a reliable and effective way to foam and clean, the MTM Hydro AIS35 adjustable foaming injector is the tool for you. All right, so we are going to set up the AIS35 foaming system. First thing you need to do is grab the valve itself and install the more narrow orifice. There are 2 of them. This is the first one that goes in here. Grab your little flathead screwdriver, then go ahead and install your second orifice. Notice that the first one takes a flathead and this does not. Then the next thing I do is I go ahead and I grab the Loctite for my fittings, put a little dab on there. Then we're going to install our plug, our female plug. Then I'm going to take a dab of Loctite on our male coupler. It'll depend on what your setup is on your pressure washer, or whether you go plug, coupler, 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 plug, plug. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm not tightening these down, but you should tighten those down. Then you need to set up the foaming head itself. You should have the appropriate size orifice. Insert that there. You've got a little brass adapter that comes with it. And then I take my plug and I'm gonna put a dab of Loctite on that as well. Now that you have your foaming head and your valve set up, when you get to your pressure washer, you'll want to install your draw tube, and you will put this filter end into the bottle of concentrated soap. This is the soap adjustment dial on top. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So left for more soap, right for less soap. This is all stainless steel, made in Italy, and that's your basic setup. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative pressure washing content.